and transportation infrastructure. Self-driving cars can reduce traffic congestion and improve the overall flow of transportation. However, there are also concerns about the potential for self-driving cars to exacerbate existing social inequalities, particularly around access to transportation and mobility. It is important to ensure that the development and adoption of self-driving cars is done in a way that prioritizes equitable access to transportation and addresses existing disparities in mobility. Another potential benefit of self-driving cars is their ability to reduce the overall cost of transportation for individuals and businesses. With automated driving systems, individuals can potentially reduce the amount of money spent on fuel and maintenance costs associated with personal vehicles, while businesses can potentially reduce the cost of transportation and delivery through more efficient routing and scheduling. Moreover, self-driving cars have the potential to greatly improve the overall efficiency and safety of transportation systems. Reducing the need for costly and time-consuming infrastructure projects such as road expansions or new transit systems. Another exciting area of development in self-driving car technology is the use of advanced sensors and mapping systems to improve the accuracy and reliability of navigation and driving systems. With more advanced systems for detecting and responding to potential hazards, self-driving cars can greatly reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall road safety. However, there are also concerns about the potential for self-driving cars to pose security risks, particularly around the potential for cyber attacks or hacking of automated driving systems. It is important to ensure that these vehicles are designed and implemented with robust security measures and protocols to minimize these risks. In conclusion, self-driving cars represent a critical area of development in modern technology, with the potential to greatly improve transportation efficiency, accessibility, safety, and overall cost. With ongoing research and development, we can expect to see even more exciting and innovative applications of self-driving car technology in the future, shaping the way we travel and interact with the world around us. However, it is important to address concerns around social equity, security, and safety as we continue to develop and implement these technologies. Another potential benefit of self-driving cars is their ability to revolutionize the way we think about personal mobility. Particularly for individuals who may not own personal vehicles or have access to public transportation. With self-driving cars, individuals can potentially access personalized transportation on demand, reducing the need for personal vehicle ownership and reducing barriers to mobility for individuals without access to traditional transportation options. Moreover, self-driving cars have the potential to greatly improve the overall quality of life in urban areas, reducing noise pollution and improving air quality by reducing the number of vehicles on the road and optimizing driving patterns. Another exciting area of development in self-driving car technology is the integration of augmented reality and other advanced sensory systems, allowing for more immersive and interactive driving experiences. With more advanced systems for navigating and interacting with the world around us, self-driving cars can create new opportunities for entertainment, education, and other important activities. However, there are also concerns about the potential for self-driving cars to reduce the social interaction and human connection associated with traditional transportation systems. It is important to ensure that the development and adoption of self-driving cars is done in a way that balances the potential benefits with the importance of human connection and social interaction. Another potential benefit of self-driving cars is their ability to improve accessibility and mobility for individuals with disabilities or limited mobility.